Hello, good day, everyone. My name is Ralph Avedanta, and I am a doctoral graduate student at Boko University at Vienna, which I specialize in natural resource management and life sciences. Growing up in Batanes, it's a coastal community in the Philippines. I witnessed firsthand the devastating impacts of climate change on vulnerable communities. That includes rising sea level, disrupted agriculture, and resource depletion. And these experiences ignited my passion for sustainability and inspired me to dedicate my career to creating innovative, community driven solutions that promote environmental resilience and social equity. One of the proudest achievements that Equip throughout my professional portfolio was leading the Fresh for Future initiative. It is a project that brought together farmers, fertilizer producers, and researchers to create a circular system for agricultural waste. And by transforming these spent mushroom substrates into organic fertilizer using black soldier fly larvae, we reduced the waste, improved the soil health, and empowered local farmers with cost effective, sustainable alternatives. This project demonstrated the transformative power of collaboration and inspired me to scale similar efforts globally. And if given the opportunity to become a UPG sustainability leader, I plan to lead a circular agri-waste solution initiative that focuses on upcycling agricultural wastes into bio-based fertilizers and renewable energy. This initiative aligns with the UPG's principles of awareness, collaboration, and community empowerment, and with the support of partners like the Haribon Foundation of Philippines and other local government units. I aim to create a scalable solutions that enhance sustainability, build community resilience, and inspire collective actions. And yes, I am motivated to join the UPG family because I believe that individual actions, when combined with collaboration, can drive systemic change. And together, we can empower communities and create a more sustainable and equitable future. Thank you very much.